So guys, I actually brought gas because as you can see it's having leakage on the line, so I need to pump down the unit then so that it will enable me to work on here this place that is having the leakage. So what I want to do now, I want to return the little gas that is inside the unit. So I'm pumping down now. It will take few minutes for the gas to completely return back to the outdoor unit. So let's wait. So guys, at this point now it has successfully returned, so I need to plug the suction line. Now I'm done. I can now put off the unit and work on it. So guys, I can now lose it. So what I'll do now is to apply Teflon tape on this line, on the mouth of the coupling, to avoid that leakage. I still need to apply Teflon tape on the neck of the pipe. I can now couple it now. And after this, I'll still need to check my leakage. So now I'm done. I can now open the line. I'll still go ahead and check leakage to make sure everything is sealed. So I can now check leakage on the line. So everything is perfectly okay. So I can now put on the unit so that I will be able to charge the system with gas to replace the gas. So I don't want to shout because I'm actually in someone's house. So let me turn on the unit, then put my charging hose. So I just turn on the unit now. So let's wait until the unit start running. So now it's running, so I can now put my manifold gauge and know the amount of gas that is inside the unit. So as you can see the level of the gas. Almost close to 60 psi, which is supposed to be on 120 psi. So I need to start charging the system now. So while charging your system, you need to keep your cylinder standing the way it is now, unless there is no gas inside the cylinder. But the cylinder have to be standing like this while you're charging the system, so that you're not enable to give the system more liquid. So let's open it. So now gas is going into the system. So because I'm using single gauge in charging the system, after I've opened it, I'll lock it and still check my gauge so that I'll know whenever is gauge. So the gas is going in.
That is not it.
So guys, let's check the gauge and know how the level is now. So guys, it's already at the gauge. It's at 120 psi now. So I'll stop charging the gas from here. So like this now, I'm done with the job and the unit is cooling very well now. So thank you for watching the video, and if today is the first time you're coming across my page, please do well to follow the page, like and share this video so that others can see and also benefit from it. Thank you.